guys, so we are going to be doing a little day in the life. Just pulling up to work now. It's 7 o'clock. Yeah, 7 o'clock. If you guys watch the channel, yes, I am still driving my regular cab short box Dodge. Thing's still running good, so might as well keep driving it. The shop is all a mess right now. I'm reorganizing it. We got a bin here, cleaning it out. So we will do some footage on that. I think it's -2 right now, high of +2 today, so it's not going to be very warm. So we will fire up the wood stove, and yeah, so I'll go and open up the shop. Up here at the shop, hot. This is a mess right now. Holy! Let's get this wood stove fired up here because I don't like being cold. So I'm kind of in the midst of reorganizing everything, so that's why it's all torn apart. I like to do, I saw this online actually, the square like that, build it up, and you can put stuff in there to get her going. Someone's gonna tell me I'm doing this all wrong, and you're probably right, and that's why you don't do that, because it hits the end of the axe. Okay, so the plan for today is get this shop organized a lot better. There's my quad. If I'm thinking the channel's seen it yet, Arctic Cat 500. This is another quad. That is a Arctic Cat 700. Year older, year newer, more horsepower, less horsepower. Just kind of move stuff around a little bit, but our newest project is making a hanger right here. So you can see I started with this board right here, hanging up. So we need to hang up those 3 weed whackers right there. 1 weed whacker, a pole saw, and I guess it's another weed whacker with this steel blade attachment on it. We need to hang all of those up. So I'm gonna make some hangers out of aluminum, weld them up, and then yeah, so I got my flat bar out here. We have saws and whatnot, but I'm not cutting a lot, so I'm just gonna use a cutting wheel, cut them all up, get them kind of mocked up, fab. I'll show you guys, get some action shots of me welding. But yeah, so let's do that. All right guys, so as you can see, I got the hangers up and installed. These ones, the weed whackers, I'm gonna have to make longer for the handles to stick out. And then that one with the blade, obviously is gonna have to stick out further because of how big the blade is, but that's what the hanger looks like. This is a pole saw, extends pretty good. That's what it looks like. So we'll have the 3 racks there, and yeah, so I'll get to you when I'm finished the next one. All right guys, so we are back, and I just finished up the rack. As you can see, got it all mounted and everything like that. Turned out pretty good the way I wanted it to. So now it's time for me to go eat some lunch and then come back and clean all of this up and make it look brand new again. So yeah, I'll do that, and then I'll see you guys soon. All right guys, so kind of got the shop organized a bit. The quads and stuff like that are gonna be moved to a different space, but I thought I might as well break up the video a little bit and show you a little clip. This is a Polaris 800. I think it's an 02 twin. I want it out of the shop, get it fixed, so that part is on order, but I did notice it's not idling quite right, so I'm gonna see if I can fool around with it real quick and get it to idle properly. So I will grab a screwdriver just to kind of break up the video and show you guys what we kind of do Thing about this year of sled, I don't know about any other ones. I am not like a huge sled guy. Like obviously I know the motors and stuff like that, but like I don't know what years, whatnot, but I know this particular sled model does not have a decompression valve on it to start it. And it's a pull start only, so it is very, very hard to start. Like as in it's hard to pull over. So we're gonna see if we can pull this over. Hopefully this GoPro doesn't fall off my head. But like I said, it's pretty hard. So let's see if we can get it going here. There's some throttle. Open up this door here because it's gonna get pretty stinky. Another sled fixed. So to adjust the carburetor screws and get it running right, and there you go. So once the part comes in, we'll be able to ride it, test it, get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed that little clip of me just kind of breaking up the day, and we'll get back at it. All right, guys, so as you can see, I got the shop cleaned up pretty well. Again, there's some stuff that I was doing from fabbing and everything like that, but ATVs are out they're in a different little shop, storage place. I should have recorded more. It was just a lot of cleanup. I don't know, I'm just really bad for getting in the groove of doing stuff, and then I completely forget about the camera, but I'll maybe do a little some clips tomorrow just to kind of make up for that of kind of what we're doing. Show you guys where we moved everything to and all that jazz. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow in some clips, and yeah, hope you guys liked the video, and talk to you later.